Add new product item. Save the menu item in the product button. Saving menu items in product buttons. Simultaneously hold the temp and info buttons for 3 seconds until the screen displays level 1. Enter code 1234. Product selection. Left display product, select 1. Right display fries. If you need to modify this menu, menu 1. Press the confirm button. Modify. If you need to modify this menu, menu 1. Press the confirm button. Use the keypad to input the first letter of the new product. Each keypad corresponds to 3 letters. Press the appropriate keypad. Continue until the desired character is displayed. The full name of the product is limited to 8 characters, including spaces. For example, fries. Press the right button. Use the key and 0 key to insert a space. Navigate to the position that needs modification using the left or right keys. When input is complete, press confirm button to continue. Display cook time. Use the keypad to input the product's cooking time from minutes to seconds. Use the left and right keys to move to the position that needs modification. When the desired cooking time is set, press confirm button. Display temperature. Use the keypad to input the product's cooking temperature. For example, enter 350 for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After entering the temperature, press the confirm button to continue. Display cook ID. Input product abbreviation. Input a 3-letter menu name. The menu name will swap with the cooking time display. After entering the cooking time, press confirm button. Display duty 1. Use the numeric keys to input minutes and seconds. Duty 1 is the first shake time. After completing the input, press confirm button. Display duty 2. Duty 2 is the second shake time. If it's not needed, you can set it to 0 minutes 0 seconds. After completing the input, press confirm button. Display QTM or quality timer. Use the keypad to input the quality countdown. You can set it to a maximum of 99 minutes. This feature is used for food preservation time after frying. After entering the desired time, press confirm button. Left display if disable, right side displays no. This indicates that the function is not enabled. Press confirm button. Display assign BTN. The right display the menu name. When the red light above the keypad is on, it means the menu, for example, fries, is assigned to that position. Press and hold for 3 seconds to assign the menu to any key from 0 to 9. When the keypad lights up, it means it's saved to the respective button. You can cancel the assigned product position by holding the key for 3 seconds. The red light will go off. After confirming the assigned position, press confirm button. If you need to continue programming other menus, press the 2 key. Use the left and right keys to select the product you want to modify. Follow the previous steps to complete. If you don't need to continue programming, press the 2 key to exit.